Come here. Stop running.
What the fuck is up, you guys? Straight to the point. We got the desk, you guys. We ordered the fucking 58 by 28 inch desk. Damn, that's bigger than my fucking. But yeah, you guys, we got the tripod there. We got the desk. We're gonna replace this desk. We're gonna remove that desk too. We're gonna clear this whole fucking room out, you guys. We're gonna put the desk right there. That big ass desk. God damn! See how tall this bitch is. Quick like that. You guys see how tall that shit is?
God damn!
Bro, it's literally my height, and I'm 6'7". That shit's not no fucking 6'7". Before we do that, you guys, before we assemble the desk, well, first we gotta disassemble that shit right there. We gotta eat food because I'm kind of hungry, so let's go do that.
Ain't no fucking way, bro.
All right, you guys, we ate.
Well, no shit.
We're ready to go. Son of a bitch! There's that big ass desk. You have me. You have the motivation board right there. Zooming in real quick. Amen, bro. Now, first of all, before we install the desk, we gotta remove the current desk. Oh, it's gonna be a bitch. Quick little time lapse. Let's get it done, you guys. I had to put this motherfucker on times 100 because god damn, bro, that took a fat ass minute. And shout out to my mom, she's about to pop up because she helped me take the legs off the desk. That was gonna be an issue. I was like, hey mama, come over here real quick. And her being a G, she helped me. There she Alright, you guys, now that we've cleared up, it's cleaned. I'm gonna show you guys. Grab the tripod real quick. Yeah, you see all my shit's on the desk. Everything is ready to go. Separated and everything. Oh, I think the battery needs to be changed. Give me one. Time to open up that big bit. Everything's all fucking cabled up because, yeah, I did step on some glass. So that took me out for a little bit. I was sitting in front of the fan cooling down because I was really fucking pissed. But my mom made me a plate of mangoes, so shout out to my mama. I love you, mama. Let's get it, you guys. Now it's time to open up this big bit. Bro, this shit's heavy as fuck, you guys. Oh, God. Ugh. Oh, my. Fuck. Yo, I'm getting too old now. Fuck. Okay, you guys. Let's fucking get it. Let me turn off that fan so it's not really bothering you guys. I low-key kind of need it by my side because I do get hot pretty quickly. Shout out to my girl. Love you, baby. We don't got a knife, but you gotta improvise. Get the screwdriver. Open this big bitch up. Oh shit, wait. Oh, wrong side, thank God. I'm gonna show you guys. I broke it. I broke my fan. That's okay. Without sacrifice, you can't get it. The big bitch.
Bro, what?
Now I gotta open up this side. Oh my God. It is gonna be a long ass install. We got the manual. Damn, it's gonna take a fat minute. I've seen these shits before. Okay. The fuck is this? Electric power supply. Yeah, shit just got serious. Damn, this is gonna look like it's gonna take a fat minute. Alright. We got the shit. Oh my God, bro, there's like 20 pages of this shit. I need a drill? Oh, okay, I do got a Phillips screwdriver. You guys, we're doing good, you guys. Look, first step done, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. It's coming out pretty well, you guys. Look at that. Damn, bro. Engineer my ass, bro. I can do this shit myself. Let's finish it. We're on step 3 right now, you guys. Right now, we're gonna add the 2 brackets that hold up the actual plate of the desk, you guys. So let's get to it. Okay, here's your play music. Alright, so here's me putting the foundational brackets for the table, but I screwed it up. It was supposed to go the other way, and that took me a big ass minute to fix. I didn't know what the fuck was wrong. But yeah, here's me putting the table back together. I guess they did that. Put it in 2 parts to fucking save space in the cargo. I don't even know what the fuck I'm saying. And then here's just me simply assembling the desk back together onto the new desk. Or I'm assembling my monitors onto the new desk, you guys. And then here, dude, I took a fat ass minute, bro. I was being so fucking lazy, bro. This is bad. Don't be like. Look at how that shit turned out, you guys. Big as fuck. So much more space, you guys. You see my little challenge coin from the military. My Bible. Loading up broccoli. Finna play a couple games before I go. You guys, this room is turning out to be crazy, you guys. Motivation board. Appreciate you guys. Hope you guys stay till the end of the video. Love you guys. Take care.